Hi, my name is Astha Pathak.
Hi, my name is Shubhankar Bhalkar.
Hi, I'm Vanshika Agarwal.
So, hello everyone, my name is Sudiksha Gupta.
Hi, I'm Tracy Jose Rampuram.
Hi, I'm Urvashi Valecha.
I wanted to come to the Cordon Bleu as it's a very big and known institute for pastry, and I wanted to get that professional touch. It's been 6 months now, and I'm actually really enjoying it. We've completed like 2 semesters. I really feel like I'm growing because I'm working also side by side, and what we're taught in school helps you outside school. And I think once we go back and start practicing, we're going to realize how much of a difference it's made to our skill.
I chose the Cordon Bleu London and the pastry because I've always been intrigued about pastry. I've been a big lover to serve food with people, feed the public, creating a smile on their face, serving them the most beautiful plate that I can, and just it feels so good to look at their eyes gleaming after looking at the food, and it feels so good. So this is why I joined pastry, and I'm loving my journey here at Le Cordon Bleu.
The Cordon Bleu has helped me gain a lot of skills. It is tough. I felt that a lot of classes were tough in the sense that we have to work on a lot of skills, techniques. The jump from basic to intermediate was pretty high, but I feel that you also feel a level of satisfaction and achievement after you make and present each dish. You feel that you're learning a lot and growing through the process, and as long as you enjoy it and are happy, I think you've made the right decision, and you should just take that leap of faith and do what you love. And if it's pastry, Le Cordon Bleu is a really good place where you can be and learn.
180 degrees I have changed, and thanks to the LCB and the chef.
So, Tracy, tell me, who is your favorite chef?
So there are really good chefs in Le Cordon Bleu, but I think my favorite would be Chef Nick and Chef Nicholas. I think they are really helpful, encouraging, and they've been really supportive through the process, like all chefs, but yeah, these two are my favorites.
Chef Nicholas.
And do you all get to exchange food? So, do you all get desserts and do you share like food that you're making in classes with the pastry students?
I don't share my food, but I do like to have their stuff because it's pastry land. I love having pastries and not making it. That's it.
You agree? You want the food as well?
Yes, I just feel it's a little unfair because we get to make such big cakes and we love sharing them, but cuisine students just eat everything on their own.
1 thumbs up, 2 thumbs up for Le Cordon Bleu.
I think 5 thumbs. If I would have 5 thumbs, then 5 thumbs up.
Amazing.
But yeah, it's lovely, and I think it's a great experience.